With the part already completed in chapter 2.3, positioning stop, I would go to File, New, make sure it's in English. It could be, again, like this. Click that down arrow, go to English, here, and Create. Go to Base View, and I can tell that scale is too small. We're just going to experiment here. I'm going to go 2.5. That looks pretty good. You can go ahead and put these top view, right side, and isometric in, hit OK. Come down here, get the red box, left click and hold it down, move these over a bit, get everything into position. I'm going to drop this down a small space here, so that's good. I'm going to go to Annotate, Center Mark, click the outside edge of all of these, come up to Bisector, click these two hidden lines, and just by chance the corners and the outside of the circle are the same, so I'm going to click these two and these two, come over here, click this one, which is the bottom of these two circles, and then the top, and then I want this hidden line and this hidden line for that center line. Okay, we're ready to put dimensions. Go to the dimension command, click the outside edge, center of the circle, drop that down, hit OK. Bottom, center line, click it, OK. Click the outside, and I'm left clicking, give it the diameter. You're going to find out that every hole is going to have at least 3 dimensions, left and right, up and down, and the diameter. So I'm going to drop this in. We're going to position a dimension for each one of these. Now in some classes they may let you only do one of these, but we're going to do both of them. And we're going to locate this. We know that's in the center, but we have to confirm it by putting a dimension on it. I'm clicking the bottom line, the center line, and Inventor will, if you see how it clicks into place, Inventor is selecting a position that looks normal and relative to the other position. We'll click that in, and I like to put my overall height over here, give every view something to do. That one, put my thickness over here, hit OK. You can put your overall here, or it could go at the bottom, but since we don't have much room, I'm going to put it up here. I'm going to hover in and pick that corner and do the same thing here, and you could, put a dimension for that hypotenuse. It's trying to do that, but just hold it straight up and you'll get this dimension. Then at this point you can click that line and try to line up all your dimensions like this. Now if you put the other one on, some people would call that a chaining dimensions, and that's not correct, but here we're going to do it just to confirm. I like the students to do that where I can confirm that they have everything evened out. And again, I can click the top of this line, that one, and get a degree. And we have all of that. We need to know the height of this one, so I'm going to pick this bottom line, that corner, and that's pretty much all we need for this one. I'm going to come over here, go to, I'm still in Annotate, go to text, zoom into this title block, click here. I just clicked inside of that, brought this up, and I'm going to type in chapter 2.3. Highlight it, do the drop down, click here, hit OK. You're still in text command, so I'm going to click inside here, and I'm just going to show you how you can change this around. If you type in your name, highlight it, go up here, 240, hit OK. Now I'm going to come up here. I'm hitting escape a couple times to get out of it, because what I want to do is change these two around. So I'm going to move this one up, move this one down, kind of get it centered up, and I'm just holding down my left mouse, grab this one, bring it down, drop it in, and it's very easy to move things around. You want to come back up here to text, click over here, type in material, colon, space, and remember to highlight it, drop down, click that, hit OK. And again, hit escape to get out of that text command, get your move command, move that over, drop it in. And that would be the blueprint for 2.3.